Well, first of all, we're doing this virtual, and of course we'll be ringing the bell in just a few moments. Two very special people have joined me here virtually, and of course this is going to be played on New Year's Eve. Normally there's a big crowd here in Victoria Park, but the year 2020 with COVID-19 things have changed just a little bit. But I got two very young special people that's here that's done a lot of great work here in the town of Milton over the past year. And I'm going to go to John-Paul first, and then to Juliana, their brother and sister that's just done a tremendous job in volunteering and raising funds and doing some great stuff for this community. And that's why they're ringing in the year 2021. And we'll be doing that in just a few moments. So John-Paul, if you would share with everybody what you and your sister have been doing.
Okay, so we were giving Stuffies to the people that didn't have stuff like that, and we were also doing like Christmas stuff, birthdays. We were giving birthday gifts, and we were also helping the people that were being bullied at school and stuff like that. And we gave food for the people that didn't have food in Toronto on Saturday, and we were doing a lot of good stuff.
Well, that's just excellent. I really congratulate you very much for that. So Juliana, so how is your big brother treating you through all that? And I must mention, John-Paul, I have four sisters, so how was it working with your sister?
Good.
Good. Oh, we're pleased to hear that. Julianne, what was your part in all this fundraising here? So you want to share with the world out there what you were doing?
So I collected backpacks for my birthday, and we're also doing Christmas packages, and my brother did for his baby food for the babies, and we're doing food for the food drive.
Well, I just want to thank both of you very, very much. Now, Jean-Paul and Juliana, this is where the work really starts here now. Do you know what the work's going to be? We're going to be ringing in 2021. And you know, usually it's a countdown. It's usually 10, 9, 8, and then everybody has to yell Happy New Year, right? So we want everybody that's around here with the three of us yelling out Happy New Year. So I'm going to count, so the three of us have to count down. So